Car engines are the heart of any vehicle, and some just never quit. We've compiled the top 7 cars with the best engines in 2025, built for power, reliability, and longevity. From zippy compacts to robust trucks, these engines won't let you down. Like this video and subscribe for more car insights and top picks. Number 1. 2025 Toyota Corolla. The 2025 Toyota Corolla delivers reliable, efficient driving in a compact sedan package, blending affordability, safety, and modern tech. Starting at $22,325 for the LE trim, it's powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 169 horsepower and front-wheel drive, achieving up to 32 miles per gallon city, miles per gallon highway. Hybrids hit 46 miles per gallon city, miles per gallon highway. Inside, enjoy an 8-inch touchscreen, available 10.5-inch display, alloy wheels, dual-zone climate control, and blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert. Via Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, its legendary engine rarely fails, topping lists for dependable power in 2025. Competing with the Honda Civic and Honda Elantra, the Corolla shines with unbeatable reliability and value. For a worry-free daily driver, this one's unbeatable. Number 2. 2025 Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V is a reliable compact SUV that shines with its durable 1.5-liter turbo engine, making 190 horsepower, paired with front-wheel drive for smooth 28 miles per gallon city, miles per gallon highway. Starting at $30,920 for the LX trim, it offers 5 levels, up to the plush Sport Touring Hybrid at around $41,000, blending affordability with smart tech, like a 9-inch touchscreen and wireless Apple CarPlay. Inside, it's roomy for 5, with 76.5 cubic feet of cargo space and comfy seats that fold flat. Dual-zone climate control, inch alloy wheels, and the Honda Sensing Safety Suite, including blind spot monitoring, make every drive safe and easy. Up against the Hyundai Santa Fe, the CR-V wins for its legendary engine that never quits. Perfect for families wanting hassle-free miles. Number 3. 2025 Toyota Camry. The 2025 Toyota Camry redefines midsize sedans. With its all-hybrid powertrain, sleek design, and unbeatable reliability. Starting at $28,700 for the LE trim, it boasts up to 232 net combined horsepower from a smooth hybrid engine, delivering an impressive 53 miles per gallon city, miles per gallon highway. Inside, a spacious cabin seats 5 comfortably, with an 8-inch and optional 12.3-inch touchscreen, dual-zone climate control, and available heated, ventilated seats. Safety shines with blind spot monitor and Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Stylish alloy wheels range from 16-inch on LE to 19-inch on XSE, ranking among the 7 cars with the best engines that never fail in 2025. The Camry's proven hybrid system offers worry-free performance and top value. Competing with the Honda Accord and Hyundai Sonata, it's the smart pick for efficient. Number 4. 2025 Lexus RX. The 2025 Lexus RX redefines luxury in the midsize SUV segment, blending refined performance, premium comfort, and cutting-edge tech into an elegant package. Available in 5 trims, the popular RX 350 starts at $50,475. It's powered by a smooth 2.4-liter turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, delivering 275 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic and available all-wheel drive, achieving up to 22 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. Inside, the RX pampers with a spacious cabin seating 5, a stunning 14-inch touchscreen display, and high-quality materials for a serene ride. Advanced safety shines with standard blind spot monitoring, while tri-zone climate control and 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels add to the allure. Cargo space is generous at 46.2 cubic feet behind the seats. Competing against the BMW X5, Mercedes GLE, and Audi Q5, the RX excels with its reliable engine. Praised as one of 2025's best never-fail powertrains, unmatched luxury, and strong value. For those seeking a dependable, stylish SUV, the RX is a top choice. Number 5. 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser delivers legendary off-road prowess in a modern SUV package, blending rugged capability with premium comfort. Available in 2 trims, 1958 starting at $56,450 and Land Cruiser at $61,770. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter iForce Max hybrid engine, producing 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque, paired with full-time 4-wheel drive for 22 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway. Inside, it seats 5 with high-quality materials, an 8-inch or 12.3-inch touchscreen display, automatic climate control, and advanced safety like blind spot monitor. Cargo space is ample for adventures, while 18-inch alloy wheels and features like multi-terrain select enhance its trail-ready design. Its bulletproof hybrid engine tops lists for reliability in 2025, outshining rivals like the Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco, with unmatched durability and value. For off-road enthusiasts seeking a dependable icon, the Land Cruiser never fails to impress. Number 6. 2025 Honda Accord. The 2025 Honda Accord delivers reliable midsize sedan performance with its smooth, turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, producing 192 horsepower and up to 37 miles per gallon highway. Starting at $28,300 for the popular LX trim, it features a 12.3-inch digital display, inch alloy wheels, dual-zone climate control, and blind spot monitoring as standard safety tech. Inside, the Accord seats 5 comfortably, with premium materials, wireless Apple CarPlay, and ample cargo space for daily drives. Its hybrid option boosts efficiency to 48 miles per gallon combined, without sacrificing power. Competing against the Toyota Camry and Nissan Altima, the Accord shines with Honda's legendary engine durability and unbeatable value. For a dependable, feature-packed sedan that never fails, the Accord tops the list in 2025.